Can you talk for Grammy? What are you saying? Talk to Grammy and Grampy. Uh-oh, got the hiccups. Addison. Addison. Talk for Grammy and Grampy. Oh, poor girl, you got the hiccups. You say hi, Grammy. Hi, Grampy. Hi. Pretty girl. What is it? Good girl. Got the hiccups. It's hard to talk with the hiccups, huh? Poor baby. Goodness.